So my wife gave me a job. She teared down the handle of the refrigerator, and as you can see in this footage, the handle was already been fixed by the previous owner of this house. So it's already been fixed by the previous owner. So yeah, we need to make a new handle, and in my opinion we have three options. Option 1 is to 3D print a new handle for our refrigerator, but the problem is I don't have a 3D printer, so that's not an option for us. We can make one out of wood, but as you can see we don't have any good wood to do that, so we will make it out of iron, because I have ordered some iron for projects. You will see later on in future videos, but we are using 10mm round stock to make a new handle, and I will take you to the drawing board so I can show you my plans. Our plan is quite easy. It's just okay, so we will put our plan aside and I will show you on the anvil. Okay, so the plan: hit the ends of this round bar and yeah, just smash it like a crazy guy so we get a flat side, so we can mount it on the side of our refrigerator. So this will be very sophisticated. No, this will just with bent corners and flat sides, and we can mount it. So normally if you do this you need to clamp it so you don't get that wiggle, but the workspace is too small. Okay, I needed to cheat a little bit because it was not easy. It didn't go as planned. So I made this one longer so I can cut it off, and maybe I'm lucky, but yeah, I think the best idea was just to flatten out the ends, and then yeah, just make this corner cold. That was a better idea, I think. But we learned something, so now we need to cut off this handle, make it the same as the short side. I'm gonna put it in a bucket of water because it's too hot for the moment. Yeah, definitely not easy. I thought we're gonna do it quick and fast, but yeah, you see, I learn, you guys can learn from my mistake, but we will fix it, we will fix it. That should be okay. This will be a lot faster with the angle grinder. Don't do it like me without any glasses, because yeah. But yeah, you want it to be quick, but that's how accidents will turn out. I'm gonna put it in the forge. Why I have put the handle in the forge is still warm, so now the metal is warm, but it's to apply oil finish. So yeah, it's pretty hot, it's turning blue, so but I am applying some, yeah, in Dutch there is lijnolie gekookt, and in English I think it's linseed oil cooked. So that's the finish we are going to apply. I'm also using it for the woodworking, and I hope through my daughter's school I can capture some bee wax. Also great to do it. Now I need to wait to cool off, and then I can drill some holes to mount it on our refrigerator. So yeah, you will see the handle on the refrigerator. So I will show it to you guys. I hope you learned something from my mistakes. I definitely learned something. I need to do some better preparation, maybe weld some round tubes onto this table so that it's easier, yeah, to fold, or I've learned something. I hope that you learned something, and I hope to see you in the next. Peace.